Hello family, welcome back to Katosh Tubes. I'm your host Paras, and in today's video I will talk about Render Network. Now this project started in October 2017 and its native token is already trading in the crypto market. The thing is, this project stood the test of time, which means it survived the bull and bear market in the past, but somehow it was unable to reach the level in which the investors are expecting. Why? That is what we are going to discuss today, and we will dig deep to understand the project, and at the end we will finalize whether or not this token should be part of your portfolio. So watch this video till the end as I uncover the Render token. Now before I jump into details, as a ritual, do remember to press the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to watch the daily crypto updates like this right on the YouTube channel. And if you are someone looking to join the right crypto community that can help you educate and grow in the crypto space, just click on the link shared in the description of this video and join our Telegram community of over 100 members already. They will help you to get the right information on your fingertips just at the right time. So let's get started. So begin things. If you are invested in Render or you are new to Render, you should understand what is this project actually dealing with, what problem it is addressing and what it is trying to solve before jumping into the tokenomics or the token price prediction. So let me read this out. It will be quick. Just stay with me and you will understand the details about this project. So Render Network is the leading provider of decentralized GPU based rendering solution, revolutionizing the digital creation process. The network connects node operators looking to monetize their idle GPU. Remember, idle GPU compute power with artists looking to scale intensive 3D rendering work. So it has not one but two use cases, two essential use cases, and that is number one, it is addressing or making the GPUs decentralized, which means if you are holding a GPU, so just let me tell you what a GPU is if you don't know. So this is what a GPU looks like. It is called as graphics processing unit. So if you are a gamer or if you have a gaming PC or maybe you are a miner, you will understand what GPU is. So these two are the fans and inside it is a very strong processor. So these are very costly devices. I don't know how much it costs now, but it is a good amount of money per device. Now remember, these devices are so powerful, they can be used for mining tokens. They can be used to play high-end games like Unreal Engine games or Unity games. So these are the GPUs. Now because they are so powerful, their costs are so high, not everyone can afford it. Now what Render Network is doing, they are making this thing decentralized so that anyone with an ideal GPU can provide it to the network, and based on it the other person can use the power of their GPUs and of course do the work, and in return there will be a circulation of Render token between the whole ecosystem so that both the parties can benefit. So providing the ideal GPU to the system, making the GPUs decentralized is one use case. So remember this. And number two, as it says, Render provide a platform for artists and developers to build services and applications for the emerging digital economy. It has created a marketplace for these artists so they can create their artwork and sell it on the platform, and based on that you have a Render token which is driving the whole economy of that particular system. Of course, you should learn the use case of Render token right from the mouth of the CEO of this company, who is explaining the use of Render token at the time of launch. Just hear this out.
Today we're very proud to introduce the Render token, which is a ERC20 token that's based on the Ethereum blockchain. This token will allow anyone to participate in render jobs and be rewarded with render tokens that they can cash in. Everyone creating renders and creating content through this system has authorship and chain of title established on the blockchain permanently. Our goal is not only to create a distributed peer-to-peer network of unlimited rendering power, but also to have a marketplace where services and assets and even modules built on the rendering network can be distributed and shared and monetized by everyone. There's nothing that's going to be rendered through the Render token that isn't coming from artistic or creative intent. That's the whole point of the service.
So as you can see, he says that all the artists and creator can publish their art on their marketplace and on the render network, and they can use the services of the GPU, the decentralized GPU, to create and store their artwork. So it is in a sideways creating a content economy and also creating a storage economy and a computation economy. So this is three kind of, I can say, use case this project has come up with. So that's a good idea. And now this is the white paper which clearly states that the network architecture includes this thing. So hear me out. The off-chain rendering network comprises creators, node operators, and render network and rendering application layer vendors. Node operators are GPU nodes that provide power to the network. Second, blockchain layers that handle payments via RNDR, so that's a native token, and escrow contract. So by leveraging the blockchain and public ledger, all creators, node operators interaction are publicly verifiable, giving creators, node operators, and the foundation team the ability to ensure all transactions are processed correctly. So this is the basic architecture of render network. Of course, I said it is creating a content economy plus a storage economy by using IPFS, just like Filecoin. And the third thing, it is creating a computation economy by providing the GPU power to the users. So that's the use case of render token. Good, isn't it? Moreover, let me just show you some more interesting fact about the token. So this is the kind of supply of a token that you should know. The total supply is 644 million, pre-inflation supply is 536 million, and inflation amount is 107 million tokens. So this is about it. Moreover, on the white paper, it is clearly mentioned that they are expanding onto the Solana ecosystem and they will requiring migration and a new contract on the Solana blockchain. And the another part is, which I kind of don't like it, and that is the render network protocol will charge 5% network fee on all transactions. So 5% is little bit on the higher side if we talk about blockchains, which is imposed to cover any infrastructure cost for operating the network, including continued employment and eventual expansion of the render network foundation team. Now, in order to participate on the marketplace, there is another thing, and that is you have to pay the Octane render subscription. Now this subscription may not be suitable for many artists who are kind of struggling with their artwork. So it is kind of at a rate of, let me just show you. So it is charging around 20 euros per month. So that may be costly for the third world countries. So this is one flip side that I don't like about it. Of course, it can be cheap for many, but for the majority of the artists who basically don't understand blockchain, this cost may not be suitable for them. So this is the one red flag I can say. The second one that I figure out is about its social handles, and that is, you can see Reddit. Reddit is quite silent. It is created in 2020 but only 287 members, and the engagement is quite poor. Of course, that can be for many projects, but going to the GitHub, if you see at the GitHub and check out the repositories, so these are all the red flags that I am going to talk about this project. The project is good, but there are some flip side, and that's the reason I believe the token is not picking up. So this is RNPs. So render network proposal, you can see how much activity is there by clicking the activity button, and just let me show you. 5 days back is the recent activity and there is not much into it. If I look at insight and see how much commits are done, you can see it is not pretty frequent, still a decent number. But when I go to the second repository, which is this one, .github, and let's see what's there in it. If I go to insights, again commit. So not much activity is going on within the render network, given the fact it has a decentralized GPUs network. So that is kind of the flip side. Of course, Twitter is good. The Twitter social handle is good, 110k followers. But given the year of activation since 2017, this is still very low. So what I believe, the token has the potential, but overall the network adoption is low, mainly because the people, especially the gamers or the GPU or the miners, or you can say the content creators, are not yet attracted by this particular network, or you can say the project. And that's why if you see, the price of this token is already falling. Even during the bull run, it is not able to go up anytime soon, and is now stagnated at $1.7. The high it has reached is 7.9, but that was way back in the month of November 2021. So if you see the smart contract also, of course the number of holders are decent, 40,000 plus, but if you go back and compare it with the timeline, the token creation and the birth of the project, you can see it is still very low. Even Pepe, the meme coin, has over 100k holders compared to Render Network. So the project is good, but it has failed to attract users. That is what I believe. Of course I can be wrong, but taking a look at the social handle and also taking a look at its repositories, the things are not looking in the favor of this token, and I don't believe that this token will hit the previous high anytime soon unless there is a big bull run and Bitcoin hit 100k. So till then I will be neutral on this token. I won't be investing it. Do comment below if you have invested in this token, and moreover, if you are a gamer, you should check out the token like GFAL, Gala Games, and other Telos blockchain. Maybe these are the amazing projects. Of course I shared all the link in the description of this video, so do check them out and do let me know how you find this video. Remember, the project is good, but it has not much activity within its ecosystem, especially on the social handles. People are not talking about it, and once you're not talking about something, it always go down. So that's why the value is not very much appreciating compared to the other tokens. So that's my review about Render Network. What do you think? Comment below. What project are you targeting? Just comment below and let me know. I see you in the new video with a new token review. Till then, take care and have a nice day.